Uh, I am Anusha Nara. I live in Florida and I'm here for the conference. Okay, as customer success manager, business business analyst, product manager, and Tableau developer. Well, I worked at various startups, so I got to wear multiple hats. Today, I'll be discussing about how we can deliver the better products through the developer and CSM collaboration, and how we can bridge the gap between the technical teams and the customer success. To just give you the overview, I'll be discussing about who are CSMs, what do they do, why the collaboration matters, what are the benefits for developers, what are the best practices, and what are the key takeaways. Okay, what does a CSM do? Does anyone know who is a CSM and what do they do? No? Okay, I'll be just giving you all just quick overview of what does a CSM do. So customer success managers are basically the voice of the customer. They bridge the gap between the development team and the customers. So they focus on gathering the feedback, understanding what the customer needs, and try to deliver that. Also, effective communication is crucial to deliver a high quality and customer focused products. So, what are the benefits for developers with this collaboration? So, one of the main key benefit is the reduced miscommunication. So, misunderstandings between the developers and the customers, they kind of increase the lead to errors and delays. So, CSMs, they kind of translate the technical language into terms that customer can understand, and they communicate the same with the developers so that the confusion can be avoided. Access to the real world feedback. They help developers understand what the customer is thinking about the product, or they kind of give the real world feedback. Developers tend to focus on mostly the technical details. Sometimes it leads to losing the sight of the broader picture. So they kind of give the real world feedback, what the pain points are. In that way, they can understand what can be done to better that. Greater empathy for users. So developers, CSMs can help developers understand what the emotional and practical challenges customers are having, as they have the direct access to them. So they kind of help to overcome that. Smarter prioritization of features. So CSMs help developers prioritize the issues that are directly impacting the customers. Could be some critical bugs or high valued features. They help the effective prioritization ensures that the time and the resources are well utilized. Reduce churn. So when the churn is reduced, we can increase the product investment. In that way, it could be you can scale up the product, you can, it could be related to the scalability or enhancing the features, or it could be marketing. You can invest more in the product. That way, you can upscale the company quickly. Enhanced cross-functional influence. So collaboration between multiple teams will help, will have a positive impact. In that way, you can deliver a very high robust product, increase the lead to errors and delays. Is that how developers can have effective engagement with customers whenever it's needed. Use simple language. So for example, Angular can be extremely complex. So CSMs kind of translate the technical language into terms that customers can understand. So you need to always use a very simple language in a user-friendly way. Also try to use visualizations. Could be workflow, flowcharts, wireframes, mockups, prototypes, whatever works. Whichever way you can effectively let the customer know what you are trying to achieve. That would be the best way to tell them the final product. Set realistic expectations. Don't overpromise, avoid overpromising. Anything could happen during the development. It could be related to performance or some other technical issues. So try to always set realistic expectations. Demonstrate the value of the features. So for example, Angular offers numerous powerful features, but the customers couldn't appreciate it until it's demonstrated clearly to them. So try to demonstrate, highlight the features in such a way that the customers are interested in it and can understand what they're getting into or what they are, what kind of features are being developed for them. So always try to highlight the features so that they can know what is going on. Involve customers early and often. Always try to have regular check-ins, demos. Always try to include your customers during the brainstorming or prototype sessions itself. In that way, they can know how the product is being developed. Try to include them during the demos, or try to have live demos. In that way, you can they can know how the product is being developed. If they have any feedback or if they want to change anything, it can be done in an incremental way, so that by the end, nobody's time is wasted and you can have a robust product at the end. The developer CSM synergy, this is my favorite point. Always try to take customer-centric approach. If you want your solution to be effectively utilized by the customer, always try to think from the user perspective. Keep always put aside that you're a developer. Think from the user perspective. What do you want, or what you don't like it, or what kind of bothers you. Always take that approach so that you can always build a better product. So don't think about the limitations of the implementation or the technology. First, try to understand what they're trying to build. Then you can see how you can mold the technology to achieve that one. So always propose innovative and long-term solutions that drive value for both the company and the client. So that is kind of a long-term solution. In that way, you can know how you can increase the cost or cost-effective the solution could be. Build relevant and impactful features. Improve user experience so that you can reduce the support needs. Enhance the quality to increase the user satisfaction. And I think that should be it. Okay. To conclude, to bridge the gap between the CSMs and the developers, the collaboration is really important, and CSMs are allies, definitely not middlemen. So listening is a superpower. You should always try to listen to your customer, what he's trying to communicate. Never jump into solutions. So try to listen. Active listening is really important. Try to listen what he's trying to communicate and what he's trying to build, what kind of solution he is looking for. So first try to understand the whole thing, then try to propose a very easy and a very elegant solution. So if you want them to use, for example, if you want to achieve something, if there are like multiple clicks, it wouldn't make your life easy. So to make your life easy, only fewer clicks would make your life easy. So try to always build something simple and very easy to manage. At the end, every decision affects someone's experience. So the best product is only as good as the experience it provides. So that's all for today. I hope this is helpful at some point of your life. Thank you.